the Maginot Line, named after the French minister André Maginot.
So, welcome to everybody to the Maginot Line and to the Line-Kiln Fortress. This is the name of this one.
Is a line of a concrete fortification, obstacles and weapon installation built by France.
Fortress. That's the only one in Alsace.
The Maginot Line, an array of defenses that France built along its border with Germany in the 1930s.
We have the decontamination room.
Was designed to prevent an invasion. Built between 1930 and 1940.
High up. At this height, the soldiers open large here.
The 280-mile-long line included dozens of fortresses, underground bunkers, minefields, and gun batteries.
Coffee machines, one of 60 and one of 80 liters.
The barracks and kitchens, the command posts, gun position, and other former locations can be visited. The fort has been open to the public since 1978.
That's 16 to 18 degrees Celsius.
It was one of the world's most impressive forts.
Today, in 1939,
Yet, it proved to be almost useless. However, the Maginot Line had two major failings.
ventilated, so they had dry air from outside, so it was approximately the feeling of.
It was obviously not mobile, and it assumed that the Ardennes was impenetrable.
Shooting officers who are calculating the shooting coordinates.
In reality, there were multiple reasons for the sudden French collapse, including the surprise German attack through the Ardennes. However, the French line was weak near the Ardennes forest. The Maginot Line was impervious to most forms of attack. In consequence, The Germans invaded through the Low Countries in 1940, passing it to the north.
Like nowadays we send every...
Going to the bathroom at that restaurant.
Where's that elevator?
So it has a mechanism. Fixed coordinates are located on the grass. That means order successfully accomplished. The game is number one.
Germans said to be turning Maginot Line, built at a cost of $500 million. The Maginot Line was a very impressive network of fortification and defensive structures.
You need a little park citizen here.
The museum presents documents on the history of the Maginot Line and on military life in a fort. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you when I see you. Cheers!